Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about important rules when it comes to Instagram. We will talk about the red line, we will talk about the HTN, and we will talk about the MMA. Okay, so yeah, first of all, rule number one that's very important is before you get started on Instagram, you have to know this, that you have to follow a red line. What that basically means is that if you go into a niche, we already talked about the niche and the sub niche and what you can go into, and we will specifically in like the Instagram module talk about that again. But it's very important that you understand that you have to follow a red line, because look, and what a red line is, that you follow a specific type of content. So for example, if you go into the business niche, then what you have to do is 80% of your content should be business content. 20% of your content can be random, but you want to follow a red line because people follow you for a reason, okay? So always keep in mind and ask yourself, why do people follow me? What do they want to see from me, okay? And then deliver that kind of content, because if you don't, then your story views will drop, your engagement will drop, you will lose followers, and the whole Instagram game is not gonna work, okay? So follow a red line. If you go into the business niche, provide 80% business content, 20% can be random. Food content, fitness content, doesn't matter, okay? If you go into the fitness niche, 80% of the content, fitness content, okay? So very important, have a red line, okay? We will also talk about that inside the Instagram module and inside the branding module, right? Then the next thing is, you need to know what your HTN is. What HTN stands for is your highly targeted niche, because before you decide or before you know what your HTN is, you have to also know what your MMA is. Your MMA is your money-making industry, okay? So what industry are you in when it comes to making money? We already, like a few videos before, we talked about how making money with Instagram works, okay? We talked about that you can sell coaching calls, that you can sell one-on-one mentorings, that you can like provide a service, that you can create content for other people, that you can do affiliate marketing, that you can do like sell digital products, physical products, okay? There's so many different ways, okay? But you need to know what kind of money-making industry or like and this has to be not MMA, it has to be MMI, money-making industry, right? So let me quickly fix that, okay? MMA, what am I talking about? MMI, okay? Money-making industry, okay? So you have to know what kind of money-making industry you're in. So for example, I'm inside the money-making industry, online education, right? So I with my personal brand, I sell online products that like basically educate people, right? And you have to know that, because you can then go here and like figure out what kind of audience you want to have, what kind of audience you need to sell products to, right? So your highly targeted niche, like what I want you to do right now is think about what your dream follower is. Who is it that you would really love to have as a follower? Is it someone who is like 16 years old, plays computer games all day, but wants to do something more out of life? Or is it someone who already has a business and now wants to get like advanced strategies and get his business to the next level? Or is it someone who is not in shape and wants to get in shape, right? Or is it someone who is in shape but wants to get to the next level? Like, think about what your dream follower is, think about what kind of content you want to provide on your Instagram account, and then think about what your perfect follower would be, what your highly targeted niche is, right? So because the reason why you have to develop the highly targeted niches, because if you have a highly targeted niche, you can then build like true fans in it, okay? Because look, if you have a highly targeted niche, then you also know what kind of red line you should follow, and if you then have the right money-making industry, which we will talk about in and the right money-making strategy, we will talk about the money-making module, then you will easily be able to make like your first $1,000 with Instagram, okay? Because like to make $1,000 with Instagram, you only need like a few good followers, like 5 good followers or something. If you have 5 true fans in a highly targeted niche, and if you follow a red line, look, if you have a highly targeted niche, for example, how to build a personal brand on Instagram, and if you follow a red line and provide content around that specific topic, around that specific highly targeted niche, and if you then get like 5 followers or 5 people as a follower who really want to build a personal brand, and if you then for example, sell an online course that teaches people how to build a personal brand, if you do one-on-one mentorings for $1,000, in which you personally help people to build a personal brand, then those people will buy from you, right? So figure out what your money-making industry and what your money-making strategy is, but we will talk about that in the next modules. Figure out what your highly targeted niche is and what the red line is that you want to follow, okay? So those are the 3 important rules that you need to know, that you need to think about before you get started. So if you haven't 100% figured out what exactly your MMI is, or your MMS, the money-making strategy, or your HTN, or what the red line is that you want to follow, no problem. We will talk about all that stuff in the next modules. I just wanted to give you a quick idea about this, so that you can maybe now take like a pen and paper and think about this stuff, so that you can then, like, once we go into the next modules, so that you already have like a quick understanding of what we are doing and how everything is structured, okay? So yeah, that's it for the video. I think this is the last video so far inside the Instagram 101. I hope you like the videos. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you learned lots of stuff, and I hope you are now best prepared to get really started on Instagram. And inside the next module, we will basically talk about how exactly making money with Instagram works. We will talk about like what the strategy, what the process, what the big picture is. We will talk about how we will get you to $1,000. Now we will get you to $100,000. We will talk about the exact steps, the steps that I did, the exact step that I always do or like implement when I like start a business with someone or when I like work with someone. I will show you the exact step that I used to generate over $1 million in sales. Okay, so we will talk about that in the next module inside the Golden Blueprint. And definitely make sure to check out all the cool bonuses. Make sure to register for the live call inside the VIP program. If you have any questions, just message me on Instagram or send an email to the VIP support. If you, for example, cancel the VIP program, which is just like $7 per week, then it's like $1 per day. And if you want to get into the VIP program again, then just send an email to us. You have that email here somewhere in the members area. And definitely also, before you go to the next modules, make sure to check out all other content. Like make sure to check out the free online training that we have. Make sure to click on go to the website. I recorded this video and I already know that lots of people will miss the website because when you go to the members area on the top left side, you have the logo, okay, and Niklas Pettine. If you click on it, it will be taken to my website, okay? So definitely check out the website. We have cool blog articles on the website. We have like success stories on the website and all that cool stuff. So definitely check that out. Go to the website, check it out, and I will then see you guys inside the VIP program, maybe in the mastermind channel, inside the live calls, and then of course inside the next module. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.